For a train, he's not spinning it. It's coming right now. So here comes the train. It's going, there it is. Maybe it's not working. Blurry a little bit. Why it's blurry? Well, that's a nice thing to do. There we go. Oh, I'll take it. He wants the jingle bells for me. Oh my god, I want the jingle bells. He didn't have jingle bells. Hey-oh. Nice horn show. What's the jingle bells? No, not that Dave guy again. Almost did. He has like mental problems. He goes like this. Oh, with that he does that a lot. I don't know why. He just does it. Oh, no, not that Dave guy again. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. Good.
What are you up? Tomorrow Special Olympics?
Yeah.
Or is it next week?
No, it's tomorrow.
Where?
At the high school again, I think.
What?
The high school, I think, again.
It's not at the high school?
It is at the high school.